Hey everyone, MSI has expanded its esports-focused lineup with the global release of the MPG 242R X60N, a gaming monitor designed for competitive players who prioritize speed and precision over high resolution. First showcased at CES 2025, this display is aimed squarely at the pro and enthusiast crowd, especially those involved in fast-paced genres like first-person shooters and battle royale titles. At the heart of the MPG 242R X60N is a 24.1-inch rapid TN panel with a full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080. That might seem modest in a world where 1440p and 4K monitors are increasingly common. The panel's standout feature is its 600 Hz refresh rate. These specs ensure that the monitor can deliver exceptionally smooth and responsive gameplay, giving competitive players an edge in split-second situations. To further enhance motion clarity, MSI includes MPRT Sync, a black frame insertion technology that helps reduce motion blur during high-speed scenes. This is particularly useful in games where tracking fast-moving targets is essential. Despite being a TN panel, the display also performs surprisingly well in the color department. It boasts 89% Adobe RGB, 93% DCI-P3, and 119% sRGB color coverage. The brightness levels are also notable, with HDR mode peaking at 500 nits and SDR brightness at 350 nits. The static contrast ratio is rated at 1000:1. MSI has packed in a variety of gaming-centric features designed to offer players a tactical advantage. AI Crosshair intelligently assists with aim precision, while AI Vision enhances visibility in darker in-game environments. In terms of connectivity, the MPG 242R X60N is well-equipped. It includes a USB-C port with 98-watt power delivery. There are also two HDMI 2.1 FRL ports and a DisplayPort 1.4a, providing flexible options for both PC and console gamers. The design of the monitor is practical and ergonomic. It comes with a 4-way adjustable stand, allowing for pivoting, tilting, height adjustment, and rotation to ensure optimal comfort during long gaming sessions. Despite its performance-focused internals, the monitor maintains a relatively compact footprint, making it suitable for space-conscious desk setups. While MSI has not yet announced official pricing or availability, the MPG 242R X60N is poised to compete in a niche but growing category of ultra-high refresh rate monitors. Pricing will likely be a determining factor in how it stacks up against offerings from brands like Asus, Alienware, or emerging Chinese competitors who are also entering the 500 Hz plus monitor space. If MSI can hit a compelling price point, the MPG 242R X60N may become a go-to option for serious esports players looking to maximize their in-game performance. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a nice day and God bless you.